Okay, today here we have the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni, and we got it at a really good deal for only 25,000. First, this used to be 2 lakhs, and now if you try and buy it on Amazon, there's a limited time deal, so you'll get it for 50,000. But we got a really good deal, and today I'm going to show you how to unbox this, install it, map your entire house, and how this runs. And this is Ecovacs's flagship robot. Now let's unbox it. Now we'll open up the box. Also remember, you can call people to install this robot if you don't want to do it yourself, but it's quite easy to do it yourself, but it does involve lifting some heavy weights. Now we'll take out the box. This contains the robot itself. It's called a Deebot. And now we'll take out the base station, which is quite heavy. Take someone's help if you can't lift up heavy weights yourself. Now we'll take out the robot. Now you can see two mop pads and two side brushes. They are color coded. These will attach to the robot for vacuuming and mopping. There's also an instructions manual over here with a small brush and a power cable for the dock. Now take out the pull tabs. Take out all the foam. These are the three cameras for 3D mapping and the LiDAR sensor also. Now here you can see the switch. This is to switch on and off the main power of the robot, and on top of that another button. I'll explain you what that's for later. You can also see a small dustbin over here, and also remember that the water tank is inaccessible because it's inbuilt. Now this is the bottom of the robot. Here are where the two brushes are attached. You just have to pop them in, and also the mop pads are magnetically attached. And now I'm opening up the main roller. This is where the dust goes into the dustbin. Now you have to install the Ecovacs home app, so we'll open it up. I've already added one of my robots. Now to add a new one, click scan to connect and scan the QR code which is on the robot. It's a unique QR code for every robot. And now connect it to your Wi-Fi. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is not the 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it should be 2.4 GHz. Now follow the on-screen instructions. They're quite easy to follow. This is where that Wi-Fi connecting button comes in, so you just have to press that so that the Wi-Fi connectivity of the robot is enabled.
Ready for network setup. Thanks for choosing the Ecovacs robot. Please scan the QR code for details.
So just have to check the box and click next, and it'll go through all the steps. Now click join. Now it'll automatically connect to your robot.
Go back to the app to continue the setup.
Now you can keep any name for your robot. I named mine Tommy, and select your time zone and preferred language. Now this is the voice assistant for your robot. You can tell okay eco and it'll respond, and you can tell it which room to clean in. Now you also need one of these adapters because this only supports a 16 ampere adapter. So if you don't have that, buy a 16 ampere adapter if you don't have a socket. And now this is where the dustbin is, and before this you could see the water tanks. This is the dust bag. You have to replace it, or you could empty it manually. And now I'm going to do the mapping for my entire house. It barely takes any time and it's quite fast. As you can see here, a map has started to form in the app, and you can see where your robot is live right inside your phone. And it's a really helpful feature in case you have to locate your robot, and it's also interesting to watch your robot map your entire house. There are also many settings which you can change, like the vacuum suction power and amount of water being used. You can also see a live feed of the camera and a 3D map of your entire house, which is really nice. And you can name rooms according to the layout of your house, and this map can be customized. You can see how well this robot is running. Now I ran this robot in the entire house, and let's see what I checked the dust bag. It's not too much dust, but it's a good amount. So I had filled this till the max level, which you can see over here. So it used up quite a bit of water, and this is how much water has accumulated in the dirty water tank, and that water is pretty dirty. And also I checked the mop pads, they are very clean, so the auto clean function is working flawlessly. Okay, thanks for watching everyone, and all the links for this robot are in the description box below. And if you have any questions about this robot, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, it really helps. And thanks for watching.